University Grant Commission NET Bureau Syllabus. Subject General Paper on Teaching and Research Aptitude. Paper first. The main objective is assess the teaching and research capabilities of the candidates. The test aim to assessing the teaching, research and aptitude as well. Candidates are expected to possess and exhibit cognitive abilities which include comprehension, analysis, evaluation, understanding the structure of argument, deductive and inductive reasoning. The candidates are also expected to have a general awareness about teaching and learning process in higher education. Further, they should be aware of interaction between people, environment, natural resource and their impact of the quality life. The detail of syllabi are as follows. Unit 1 teaching concept object levels of teaching memory understanding and reflective characteristics and basic requirement learners characteristics of adolescent and adult learner academic social emotional and cognitive individual differences factor affecting teaching related to teacher learner support material instructional facility learning environment and institution method of teaching in institution of higher learning teachers centered versus learner centered method offline versus offline online method swayam prabha mocks etc. Teaching support system traditional modern and ICT based evaluation system element and type of evaluation in choice based credit system in higher education computer based testing innovation in evaluation research aptitude unit second research meaning type and characteristics positivism and post positivism approach to research method of research experiment descriptive historical qualitative and quantitative method step of research thesis and article writings format and style of referencing application of ICT in research ethics comprehension unit third a passage of text be given questions be asked from the passage to be answered unit 4 communication meaning type characteristics of communication effective communication verbal and non-verbal internal cultural intercultural and group communication classroom communication barriers to effective communication mass media and society unit 5 mathematical reasoning and aptitude type of reasoning number series letter series code and relationship mathematical aptitude fraction time distance ratio proportion and percentage profit and loss interest and discounting average unit 6 logical reasoning